In this video, I'm going to show you a very unique strategy for trading perpetuals on Hyperliquid. No matter the market is going up or down, you can always make money using Hyperliquid. And that's the reason you can see the fees collected over the past 24 hours for Hyperliquid was even more than Ethereum or Solana chain. This is absolutely crazy. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find some profitable wallets that they are doing a great job trading perpetuals and how you can copy trade them. In this way, you can make money even when you're sleeping. But before I dive into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and also if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, make sure to join, link in the video description. Now, let's get into it. To trade perpetuals on a Hyperliquid, just click on the link in the video description. By using my referral link, you can get 4% off in all your transaction fees. Just connect your email address or wallet and then click on deposit. In here to fund your account, you have to transfer some USDC on Arbitrum network to your wallet address. You can actually use some centralized exchanges because they usually support Arbitrum network, especially for USDC, or you can bridge some USDC to Arbitrum network. This is quite easy. However, there is another way which is much easier to, fund your account. I'm going to show you that. Before that, I have to mention there is a big difference between copy trading on Hyperliquid or copy trading some meme coin traders on Axiom. When it comes to some meme coin traders or streamers, they usually have so many copy traders and they take advantage of those copy traders. They basically farm them. They buy some low cap tokens with $5,000 to $10,000 market cap. Since they have many copy traders, the token will pump and immediately they will dump the token. They will farm you. That's the reason you never can make money by copy trading these kind of streamers. But when it comes to Hyperliquid, most of the wallets that we're going to copy trade, they usually buy some tokens or coins with even billions of dollars market cap. So there is no way for them to, pump the price only by one single purchase. And that's the reason I really love copy trading on a Hyperliquid, because these traders can't farm you, which is great. But let me show you which qualities we should look to find a good wallet for copy trading. One of the best websites that you can use to analyze different wallets or finding some profitable wallets is Apex Liquid. Just go to the top traders section and in this way you can find so many great wallets for copy trading. They also have a Telegram bot. You can see it in here. And by using this bot, you can copy trade some profitable wallets on Hyperliquid. Just click on the link in the video description to gain access into this bot. And then you have to transfer some money. The good thing about this bot is you can even transfer some SOL to your wallet address and it will automatically bridge it for you to Hyperliquid network, which is very convenient. Or if you want, you can transfer some USDC on Arbitrum network to your wallet address. But make sure you consider the minimum amount because 0.2 is the minimum amount you can transfer. But let me actually show you some qualities that you have to look for to find a good wallet, because most of the wallets that you see in here, they don't worth copy trading, although you can see they have high ROE even in the 30 days, 7 days or 1 day. Most of these wallets are not good for copy trading. Personally, first thing that I usually look for is the wallet's equity. This is very important, or the wallet's balance. Personally, I don't want to see the wallet has less than $30,000, as the balance. This number should be higher than $30,000 because if they withdraw the money, your copy trades could get into trouble. You should make sure this is at least $30,000, and the wallet has minimum 1 month of activity history. At least in this way, we have better data to analyze the wallet. The second thing that I'm looking for is ROE, or the wallet's return. Definitely, we want some wallets with high ROE. We want to make some money, so just look for this kind of wallets. The third thing that I'm looking for is the wallet's strategy. This is very, very important. Unfortunately, some wallets are using some advanced strategies, and if you copyright them, you will get wrecked. They make money, but you would always lose money. What I mean by these advanced strategies, for example, they provide liquidity on a Uniswap platform, and basically, when you provide liquidity, you can claim some transaction fees. This is an extra reward. And providing liquidity is like investing on the token. So if the price goes down, you will probably lose money. A lot of people use Hyperliquid platform to hedge themselves. They will open a short position, and in this way, if the price goes down, basically they will lose money in here. But since they have a short position, they will make money in here, and these two actually will offset each other. But as you know, when you provide liquidity, you can claim transaction fees. This is the reward you can get. This is a very low risk strategy because you hedge yourself with shorting, and you can claim the fees. However, this is a very advanced strategy. I have to record another video explaining this. For this video, let's actually focus on copy trading. What we're looking for is some wallets that they believe on longing or shorting the token for a long period of time, like hours or even days. We don't want some wallets that they open their position and they immediately close that. Most of the time, if you copy trade this kind of wallets, you can make money. Just look for some wallets that they are long-term investors. They minimum hold the token for hours. Another thing that you have to consider is drawdown. This is actually a very interesting term. Let's say you have $1,000, and you trade with let's say we have $10,000. You trade with this money, and this money will turn into $50,000. This is actually the peak. And let's say after continuing trading, longing and shorting, you will lose a lot of money, and this will reach to $12,000 market cap. This is actually the lowest amount your money reached after doing many trades. So the difference between the peak and this deep is actually the drawdown. For example, in here, I think it's something around 20 to 30%. What we're looking for is some wallets with the lowest possible drawdown, because if the wallet makes so much money but the drawdown is 90%, this shows us that this wallet doesn't have consistency on his trades. A lot of times he make dumb money, but he will lose it all in few trades. So personally, I'm looking for some wallets with maximum 40% drawdown. Now let's actually find some good wallets using Apex or some other websites. On the top trader section of Apex Liquid, we have actually many good wallets. Let's take a look at them. For example, in here you can see the balance is quite high. 3 months, that's great. It's more than 1 month. The ROE for 1 day, 7 days, 30 days, and all ROE, all of them are great. But look at the max drawdown, 99.99%. For example, when you take a look at 1 day, 7 day, or 30 days, he had over 100,000% profit. But why the all ROE is 170? Because he had many fluctuations. His strategy is not consistent. That's the reason I don't like high percentage of drawdown. The direction is quite important. When it comes to 100%, this shows us that 100% of the positions he opened was actually longing, And I really like this because when the market is in an uptrend, it's going up. Personally, I would like to see the wallet has more long positions rather than shorting. For example, in here, most of his positions were actually shorting. That's the reason, it's 43%. In here, 100%, 100%. Look at this wallet. $130,000. That's great. 5 months. The ROE, it's very consistent. You can see all ROE is even higher than 30 days, 7 days, and 1 day. That's the reason the drawdown is quite low. The direction is longing. Let's take a look at this wallet. In here, you can see he still hasn't closed some of these longs. You can see that. And this is very interesting. This person is definitely a long-term investor. He opened many positions and he still hasn't closed many of them. This is what I like to see. Let's actually copy this wallet. Another website that I usually use for analyzing tokens is Hyperdash. On the search bar, let's actually search this. Okay, look at here. The leverage is something around 8.5. This is the average. So we can expect this wallet usually use 8.5 leverage. This is actually a lot. I don't like to use this high leverage. And when you look at the margin usage, you can see 76%. I don't like this number be too high. This is actually a lot. But you can see he had 7 open positions and all of them were actually win. Almost 100% win rate until now. And you can take a look at different positions he had. He's quite a long-term investor and that's quite interesting for me. This is definitely a good wallet in my opinion for copy trading. To copy trade any wallet you like, you can use Apex Liquid bot, link in the video description. Just click on copy trade. In here, click on add. And for the target wallet, just paste the wallet address you want to copy trade. We actually have reverse copy. This means there are some traders that they're terrible. They always lose money. So you can reverse their position. Whenever they long, it will short it for you. Whenever they short, it will long it for you. That's the way you can take advantage of some losers in this market. You can write a tag name for it. For the copy ratio, this is very important. Right now it's 1%. For this wallet, as you can see, the average leverage is something around 10x. So if I keep this at 1x, it will use the 10x leverage. But personally, I think this is a lot. So for 1x, this will give us a 10x leverage. Since I want to turn this into something around 2x, so this 1x should be 0.2. And I have to change this to 0.2. In this way, I can have something around 2x leverage. For the mean size, let's say we want to have $100. For the max size, we can do the same, like $100. You can copy long and copy short. As you know, this trader only long different positions, so we have to disable this. And for the mean balance of target wallet, you can write a number, for example, $80,000. And you can click on create, and in this way it will copy trade this wallet for you. And whenever you want, you can close it manually by yourself. Another important thing is by using this bot, you can actually track wallets as well. So you don't have necessary copy trade him. You can click on track wallet. You can add his wallet address, and in this way, whenever he long a position, you get a notification on this Telegram bot. There are some other websites like Hyperliquid Tracker that you can use to find some good wallets. For example, in here, We have different categories. Each one of these categories shows different wallets with a specific balance, like Dolphin, Whale, and also different strategies: money printer, smart money, grinder, exit liquidity, and even gigarect. For example, if you enable the reverse feature in Apex Liquid Bot, you can actually make a lot of money with these gigarect wallets. These are the wallets that they always lose money, and you can reverse their position. Whenever they long, it will short it for you, which is very interesting. Or we have Hyperdash. There is a top trader section. I'm not sure why it doesn't show it to me right now, but you should be able to see so many good wallets in here. And again, Apex Liquid Bot, the top traders section. But let me actually talk about a very important thing, and that is liquidation. This is something that people usually don't talk about. This is very important. Let's say you open a position, a long position with 2x leverage. This means if the token goes down for something around 50%, approximately 50%, you will actually liquid, you will lose all your money, fully liquidated. However, this number is not exactly 50% because whenever you open a leverage position, basically you are getting a loan from the exchange like Hyperliquid, and they want to make sure you can pay your debt. So they will close your position at even earlier. For example, in here, it could be something around 6 to 8%, like 42. When you are in 42% loss, the token goes down, you will lose all your money. And this is a very important thing to note. On a Hyperliquid platform, whenever the cross margin reaches to something around 100%, that means you fully liquidated. Let's say you have a 4x leverage. This means at something around 25%, you get liquidated. However, as I told you, you will get liquidated even earlier, something around, 19 or even 18%. That's why you should avoid, using high leverage. It's too risky. And especially when it comes to copy trading, it doesn't worth doing that. I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Cheers!